Minnesota river towns are bracing their banks for rising waters tonight.
Every red dot you see on this map will show a river forecasted to hit moderate flood stage. The purple means major flood stage. One of those is the Crow River, expected to rise higher than it has in 10 years.
That's where Morgan Wolf is live tonight. Morgan?
Good evening. Yes, you can't see the flooding, but I certainly can hear all of that water rushing. Bridge Avenue Bridge has been closed throughout the day, and it sure brought a lot of people out here to see what's going on.
It's a little hidden gem.
One of the oldest Delano residents. The Crow River is making a big splash this spring.
I love water and just the sound of it.
I mean, I think we had a lot of snow this winter and heated up pretty quick, so melted pretty fast, so the water's got to go somewhere.
After a dry season last year.
If you were out here last year, you'd know that you could walk across this.
The river is roaring, forcing Bridge Avenue and sections of 90th Street to close.
I think the bridge being closed is probably the biggest impact, as that's the easiest way to get on and off Highway 12.
That means that the cars can't drive on it. You want to know why? Yeah. It's because the river's so high.
The latest report from this afternoon shows the river is at 18.63 feet.
It's kind of a novelty in a sense. Like, you see it when it's super low like it was last year, and then you see it now, and you respect Mother Nature.
Respecting Mother Nature.
I was in a fish on a river.
And admiring her.
And I would not want to try and get my canoe under the bridge right now, so not a lot of headroom.
Delano is no stranger to flooding. This old friend is expected to crest Wednesday night.
And it, kind of makes you sad because you see some of the destructive things floods can do, but it's also part of the river life, I guess.
So we're going to understand the city was going to put up flood walls today, but they didn't. Do you know why?
Yes, Julie, I actually just heard from the city administrator about an hour ago that said the river didn't rise as high as they thought it would today, and so they got some other flood work done. But here is exactly where the flood wall will be going up, and it takes roughly about 90 minutes for them to put it in place. And I was told that they will be putting it back into place tomorrow. Back to you.
All right, thanks, Morgan.